So we're wondering, here we see a river. This is a problem. If this went under the house, but it's diverted. This is being diverted from the front down on the sidewalk. I'll get a picture of that.
Okay, we have a system failure right here. Even though some is going that way. That's the system failure. All right, we do have a lot of diversion going on. That's just the roof, but I think this is the main diversion. See that? There's a major diversion going on. But this little bit here adds up. I think I saw this before. A lot of it comes right here. Just right here. And down here. And this right here when it doesn't turn right. So the roof is just one small thing. There'd be nothing leaking here, and then it goes both ways. Water diversion from the backyard. You can see that little drainage channel. So there it goes. Good riddance. Over in seems to mostly be going down there.